Hi everyone, this is my real skin, no filters. I'm going to do a simple self makeup on me for a Pongal. Today I'll show you how I'll prep my skin, do makeup on myself and make it last all day long. So இன்னைக்கு காட்ட போற ஒவ்வொரு ஸ்டெப்புமே it is tested and it will last all day long. Starting off with a micellar water. If you're starting, you can wash your face. Your skin should be super clean before starting. That's the thumb rule. So now I'm razor for micellar. This is sitting on my vanity for a so long time, so I'm making use of it. So I'm going to do it on my cheeks, my jawline. This is the place where I get most of the dryness, and this is the place where I get most oily. Next, I'm going to use a primer. I use it on my T-zone only where I get oily. I don't use it on my whole face. Usually my face gets oily only on the T-zone. Recently, the shine gets all gone. The shiny pitch I feel like applying it on my cheeks also just to blur my pores. I'm not going to use any foundation. I'm going to use only concealers just to keep it very simple. So for the concealer, I'm using Born This Way. You can see the level I've used this foundation. It's my go-to actually. Will go under my eye. The blemishes I have. Oh my god, I have a pore. Concealer should be 2 shades darker than my skin tone. You can use any liquid concealers or cream concealers, whatever you have. So around my mouth, it will actually look like this. Give some time. The goal is to be using less products, make it last all day long. And actually, so either which you can cover the whole face. I'm blending it in a tapping motion. For now, I'm postpartum, 7 months postpartum, so I'm not going to go here and all. Usually, you can do it. If you're correct shade of foundation, there is no necessity to go full coverage on your neck. Under eye, I usually come last. That's how I work. So ஓரளவுக்கு face cover ஆயிடுச்சு. The eye, you can use a sponge or anything. இதுவுமே it should be in that tapping motion, not like இப்படி இழுக்க கூடாது. It should be like this. So the products go and sit under your skin. My eyelids. So I'm using a powder, compact powder. It's Max Studio Fix. So எங்க தேவைப்படுதோ அங்கே தான் அப்ளை பண்ண போகிறேன். So it should be on my T-zone. This is the place where I get mostly sweaty. Around my mouth, around my eyes. So இருக்கிறத வச்சு I'm dusting off. So I'm using Huda Beauty Remaster palette. என்ன palette இருக்கோ அதை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். It's completely your wish. Just and the shade matches. ஆச்சுன்னா it's fine. I'm going to go from lighter to darker. That should be the part with the neutral base. So already நான் பவுடர் வச்சு செட் பண்ணிட்டேன். Starting off with a light brown shade. Oh, light brown shade. இதுலேருந்து டைரெக்டாக யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. You have to take off the excess. And என்னோட crease lineலேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண போகிறேன். The lighter goes first. So I'm going to go in the windshield wiper motion. This is the key. For a nice smooth blended eye makeup. Always use lighter shade on your crease line. This is the crease line. This depth is the crease line. So I'm going to concentrate on my outer corner of my eye. So this part is my outer corner. So நான் shades எதுவும் dark போகிறதில்ல. I'm going to keep it very subtle since it's a daylight thing. So the strokes always should be smooth and long. உங்களுக்கு நான் பண்றதுக்கு it might be fast, but I'm doing it very smoothly only. இது வந்து overall eyelidல place பண்றேன். Since it's a no shimmer thing. Using the same brush. So கீழேயுமே அதே shade shadow you have to bring it down also. Same shade. It's henna. எதுவுமே shape பண்ணல. I didn't thread my brows. So I'm going to follow my natural shape. So I don't want to be blocky. Just natural is fine. My eyeshadow itself. So I'm going to take a darker brown. Here I don't find darker brown. So I'm going to mix this cocoa shade. It's earthy tone. So I'm going to mix slight black shade here. So yeah, ரெண்டுத்தையும் வச்சுட்டு excess கையிலேயே I'm going to shape it. Fill it in my sparse area. எங்கெல்லாம் எனக்கு இது தெரியுதோ அங்கே மட்டும் fill பண்ணுறேன் very lightly. இதுவே ஆர்டிஃபிஷியலாக இருக்கு. ஸோ ஜஸ்ட் ரொம்ப நாள் ஆச்சு இதெல்லாம் பண்ணி. that's the thing. Do on this side also with whatever left in my hand. And I'm going to draw my liner. Just a simple liner. Or I skipped coal. My lips are cracked like hell. So I'm continuously using lip balm. I have very sensitive eyes and lips, guys. So yeah, it all work. It'll work for everyone. That's the case. Use a liquid blush. It's from She Glam. The shade is Love Cake. So I'm going to apply it on my apple of my cheeks. What's that? So ரொம்ப little bit, ரொம்ப கம்மியா யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். Always use your non-dominant finger to blend your. I'm thinking whether I should use a highlighter or not, and I don't think I need one. This is good. ஒரு பொட்டை, it's mandatory. To use a lip pencil as my lipstick. It's a light mauve pink. It's a setting spray. இது வந்து overall look lock பண்ணிரும். கொஞ்சம் தூரத்துல வச்சுட்டு ta-da! This is the complete look. It's a very simple, my go-to look. You can use it from Pongal. If you're running late, you can use this. You can style it in multiple ways. If you like it, don't forget to share, comment, like, and one last thing, subscribe to my channel, guys, and it will be motivating for me to create such looks. Thank you. Bye.